Happy birthday to Dalvin. I love you.
Boss Alvin, happy 50th birthday to you. More birthday to come. Ingat and God bless always.
Maligayang kaarawan sa tropa namin na mabait, matulungin, maasahan, at higit sa lahat, doon ako nagmana sa kapugian. Happy birthday, Boss Alvin. Sana mabigyan ka pa ng mahaba-habang buhay, good health, at good health, more success in life sa pamilya mo, sa mga friends, at sa mga nakasurround na tao sa'yo. Ulit, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy lahat sa birthday mo. Masaya. Nagloading pa. Happy birthday. Ulit. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Cap. Wishing you good health, wealth, and happiness. So much.
Happy 50th birthday, Alvin. Parang kailan naman tayo kilala, 50 ka na kaagad. Bigla ang pangyayari Anyway, isipin mo na lang na debut mo ngayon, 21 years old, with 29 years of experience. Ganyan lang yan. Para hindi masyadong masakit ba? O, di ba? Anyway, happy 50th birthday, Alvin. May the next 50 years will be much more better than the first. Stay humble, man. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Alvin. Happy 50th birthday. Greetings from Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. Kumusta ka na? I hope you're doing well, and naalala ko pa dati magkakasama tayo sa Etwal sa mga stock takes and stop sale. Mga 15 years ago na yata yun. Nakakamiss rin ng time na yun. Magkakasama tayo. Well, I hope you're doing well now, and I wish you another 50 more years to magiging century old ka na. So, again, happy birthday. Ingat. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Kuya. Ingat ka lagi.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ayun. Ang kaibigan ko magbe-birthday. Happy birthday, Pari Bino. Sana good health and more blessing to come. Napakabait mo, kaya more life to come. Sana hindi ka magbago sa lahat-lahat. And God bless you. Pauwi pa lang. Galing ng walking. Kaya happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi, par. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Boogie.
God bless you and take good care always.
Yeah,
How about you, Rod?
more hype for you.
Hi Alvin, congratulations to your 50th birthday. Masaya ako para sa iyo that you reached that milestone of your life. Sabi nga nila, life begin at 40, mean to say you just 10 years old right now. Anyway, I wish na you have more birthday to come, happy life, and good health. Happy birthday once again.
Good
Good morning, Alvin sir, and happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday to you,
And
Alvin
may
sir.
you have many happy
Times of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya. Alvino, you are the best.
Hello, Ben. Happy birthday, ne? Yang sana, maging masaya ka kay abang biyena ng BM. Luguran mo rin wali mo, ne? Deng pamilya mo. Anak, asawa mo. Maging masaya ka sana kay BM. Iba't kami na magkingkay kanin kari Tita Luming yang pig birthday nila ilang adwang Tito Eli at naro kong kasaya sana maging masaya ka naman kayong birthday mo ampo ka rin dartang pang birthday na happy birthday pa si Bayo na I love you I love you